Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Budiman Yusuf from IKIP Siliwangi, Bandung. I would like to presentation about developing a problem-based learning models using quizzes. Is it effective in improving critical thinking and learning independence? Firstly, I would like to introduce 20% to education requires the student to develop critical thinking skill and independence learning abilities. Elementary school learning is still dominated by teacher-centered approach, limiting student engagement and autonomy. Problem-based learning promotes active participation, contextual problem solving, and student responsibility. The implementation of PBL faced challenges such as limited time, learning media, and student motivation. Quizzes offers interactive learning experience that can increase motivation and engagement. However, quizzes is mostly used only for assessment and not integrated into the PBL learning process. Therefore, the study develops a quizzes assisted by PBL models to improve students' critical thinking and independent learning. Method. This study used a research and development approach based on the Borg and Gore model to develop and test the effectiveness of quizzes assisted problem-based learning models. The research was conducted in an elementary school in West Bandung Regency with fifth grade students as participation. The development stage include need analysis, model design, expert validation, revision, and learning trials. That data were collected through validation sheet, observation, test of critical thinking, skill, and learning independence questionnaires and analyze using descriptive analysis and normalized gain to evaluate the model effectiveness. The result and discussion. The result of the study saw that the validation of the problem-based learning model assisted by quizzes obtained an average possibility of 90% with a very visible category. Validation of the science teaching material was 90%. Validation of the quizzes media was 91.33%, and validation of student worksheet was 88.33%, all of which were in the very visible category with a minor improvement. Students' critical thinking skill increased from an average pretest score of 58.40 to a post-test score of 82.30 with an endgain values of 0.65 in the medium-high category. The result of the learning independence questionnaires saw an average score of 3.45 in the high category, which illustrates an increase in students' abilities to plan, manage, and evaluate their learning activities independently after the application of the learning models. Conclusion. The results show that the quizzes assisted problem-based learning models on environmental topic is feasible and effective in improving fifth grade student critical thinking skill and learning independence. Expert validation confirm the feasibility of the learning model, teaching materials, media, and worksheet, and revision enhance the quality of the product. Its implementation positively influence student engagement, understanding of real-life environmental issue, and learning outcome, indicating that technology support by PBL is a relevant approach for 21st century elementary science and learning. Thank you all to attending today's presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.